Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. We hope everybody had a great holiday and New Year's. In this video, we visit the LeBlanc Spa Resort, Gym, Spa, and Lagoon Pool. So stay tuned so you can see that. Dave and Rose Travels. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. And here we are getting ready to see the beautiful Gym, Spa, and Lagoon Pool. If you haven't seen our last video where we go to Bella Cucina Italiana, located within the LeBlanc Spa Resort, adults only, all-inclusive, make sure you watch that. It's a must-see. It was my 50th birthday. Don't forget to grab a snack, maybe a drink, and sit back and view this little mini video. This will not be the only footage of this beautiful lagoon pool. Let's take a moment to talk about our channel, Dave and Rose Travel. Our channel is small but growing, so please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Maybe give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell.
The next day.
Make sure you subscribe so that you can see our upcoming video where we go to Blanc, located within the LeBlanc Spa Resort. This is where we're gonna have some tasty breakfast. Then after Blanc, we'll take you to a fancy bar where we have some tasty drinks. We still have a few really fun videos coming from LeBlanc Spa Resort, adults only, all-inclusive, like the Lumiere video or the Lagoon Pool video where the Morlet's crocodile lives. Subscribe to see that.